Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Creative Flair. It's been a while since our channel has been active. Hence, here I am today, presenting you with a whole new introduction. First of all, I would like to thank all the subscribers. We are so excited to have 1,000 subscribers on board. And also, we are even more excited because I'd like to start a whole new bunch of DIYs and home decor and also interesting artwork from today with this video. I'm so super excited to have to start this channel again, and I guess you people are also excited along with me. Today's video is basically on a DIY photo frame. So on this photo frame, we are going to do Lippan art. I'm not sure if you've heard of Lippan art, but Lippan art is made out of clay and mirror. You're going to see that further in this video. And also, we are going to make a whole bunch of Lippan art series. I hope you all like it, and yes, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to get more fun DIYs. What are we waiting for? Let's dive into this present video now. I'm so happy that you watched my video until the end. But now I have to sign off because I got to go and make more videos for you, right? So then I'll see you in my next video. Until then, thank you.